welcome back to our science class. Yes, today we are going to start our new block that is about soil. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about the uses of soil. What is our topic today? Uses of soil. Yes. See the keywords, children, pottery and chula. These are the keywords today. Before going to starting LB, first you have to tell me what is soil. Yes, soil forms the upper part of the land. Soil forms it is upper part of the land. Yes. What is its color? Yes. Generally we can see the soil in the brown color only, right? Yes. What is it made up of? Soil is made up of so many things like mud and dry leaves and clay, some sand particles also. These all things are made up of a soil. Okay. Generally we can see the soil in the brown color and the soil is made up of these many things. Okay. Before that, you can tell me how the soil is we can use in our regular lives. Yes, we can use soil in our regular life so many ways. Like plants, for example, see the plants. Yes, these plants need soil to grow. Yes, plants need soil to grow because soil provides the plants with minerals and water. Soil provides plants to minerals and water. In other purposes also we can use the soil. We can use the clay in the soil to make the pots. Okay, we can use the clay to make the pots also. And in the villages you can see that so many people make their huts with the mud. Yes, in the villages they can make their hut with the mud. And in the so many villages people make their some chulhas. Okay, some chulhas from the mud only. They use chulhas to cook the food. These are the some uses of soil. These are the some uses of soil. Okay children, before that you can tell me why is soil important? Is it important? Soil is very important. Yes, soil is very important because plants need soil to grow. Yes, already we discussed that plants need soil to grow because indirectly or directly we are depending on the plants for food. If soil is not there means plants will not grow, right? If plants there not means soil is not there means plants will not grow. If plants were not there means we are not able to get anything for food, right? So you can say that soil is considered to be a natural resource. Okay, soil is considered to be a natural resource because it is made naturally on the earth. Okay, soil is natural resource. Yes, these are the uses of soil, children. See once again. Uses of soil. Yes, we can use the soil in plants to grow and to make diyas and pots. And we can see that in so many villages they can make the idols also, right? They can make the idols with the clay and make the huts and chulas. Yes, chulas. These are the some important uses of soils. These are the some important uses of soil. And one more important thing is there is some animals like earthworms. Some animals like earthworms and ants also live in the soil only. Earthworms and ants are lived in the soil only. These are the some uses of soils. Okay children, now you can tell me why do we use different types of soil for different purposes? Is there any reason? Yes, we will use the different types of soil for different reasons because there are many types of soils. There are many types of soil. Some soil contains more sand, whereas some soil contains more mud. Okay, some soil contains more clay and some soil contains more mud. In the same way, the properties of the soil also very different from one soil to another soil. Okay, so we need to use different types of soils for different uses. Like potters use so much soil in the clay. Okay, so much soil in the clay. Okay, children.
Yes, children, now you can open your content book. Soil is an important natural resource that covers the earth. It is made up of small pieces of rocks. Uses of soil. Most plants cannot grow without soil. Animals and humans depend on plants for food. If there was no soil, then there would be no food for us or for the animals. Soil is home to many animals. Earthworms, snails, and ants live in soil. Soil is also called mud. Mud is used to make bricks. We use bricks to make buildings. They are baked to make them stronger. Mud houses are common in villages. In the olden days, chulas were made from mud. Mud is also used in pottery to make pots, toys, idols, diyas, and many other things. As children, here you can observe the images, some uses of soil in the constructing of building, and in the villages we can see that mud houses and chulhas, earthen chulhas also we can see that, and clay is using to making pots. Okay. As children, now you can open your volume S1, uses of soil. See the first question. Ram took a plant cutting and put it in a pot. He added pebbles in the pot to give support to the plant. He watered the plant regularly. After a few days, the plant started dying. Why? See the question once again. Ram took a plant cutting and put it in a pot. He added pebbles in the pot to give support to the plant. He watered the plant regularly. After a few days, the plant started dying. Why? Now see the second question, children. You have to circle the pictures that show the uses of soil. See the third question. The soil used for constructing building is different from the soil used to make pots. Why? See the question once again. The soil used for constructing building is different from the soil used to make the pots. Why? Okay children, read the content book and complete your volume. Thank you children.